We are not an IT-based company. Bila kita dah ada experience on the POC tu, a lot of things kita belajar. I got an invitation on the MyReskill IoT to focus on these areas because I see that this is the future that we are heading to. There is a need to put our resources there, enhance their skills in that sense. Kita adalah solution provider. Kita menyelesaikan masalah orang. Before this, kita kurang tahu, kurang arif. So we always have to check ataupun macam not sure, and then when you're not sure, you don't tend to propel forward. You tend to, okay, let's just stick to what we are comfortable with. But Alhamdulillah, since the MyReskill IoT program, we are more confident in that sense.
Has definitely benefited our company a lot. The tools and solutions that they taught us during the program, such as using Node-RED for data analytics, signal processing analysis, have helped us to save a lot of research time, quicken our pace of doing the research, and we're able to solve various problems that otherwise we would not have been easily carried out. Definitely the program is much encouraged, gave very good exposure to me and to my company.
I think this program is very helpful. From my bottom of my heart, I think that NPC do a very good job initiate this program, and actually it helps the industry to move forward, especially towards the Industry 4.0. I hope this program will continuously promote and allow all the players in the industry to make things happen from impossible to possible, from good to great. I hope this will make things happen, and looking forward.